Lola, hi. Come here. What are you looking at? All the bird buddies? Huh? Come here, Mama. Hi. Come here, puppy. Come here. Come here. Hey, puppy. You okay? You having a good time? You having fun out here? Huh? Is this nice, Mama? Lola, you having fun out here? Yes, puppy. Yeah, good dog. What do you see? What do you see, buddy? Beautiful. Well, it extends way beyond there, too. Beautiful lake, but I don't know, it seems dead. I just might not know how to fish. Cool island in the middle. Now look at you after. What happened, buddy? You tired, Mama? Lola? Lola? Hello? She is done for. Are you done for, Mama? Huh? Now I gotta check you for ticks, huh? You probably got ticks all over you. You know that? You probably got ticks all over you. Is that right? Is that a tick right there? Lola. She's sleepy. She is out all day. Isn't that right? Isn't that right? Are you dead? Lola, are you okay? Okay, that's a positive.